morning, children. Today we have come to the last property of triangles, which is known as Pythagoras property. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher who has given this property, a very important property. So this property is named after his name, Pythagoras. This property is about right triangles. Right angle triangle this property is. When we have a right angle triangle, this property holds good. In this property, suppose we have a right triangle, This is A, B, C. This is a right triangle. It has a right angle at B. So this says that the side which is opposite to the right angle, this side AC, is called the hypotenuse. The name of this side is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This side AC, which is opposite to the right angle, is called the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. And these two sides are called legs of a right triangle. Right angle triangle. These two are legs. This is hypotenuse. So the name is clear to you. The side which is opposite, this side, this is right triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. These two are called the legs. Now let us study the property. This thing I hope is clear about the right angle triangle. Now children, suppose this side is B, this side is C, and this side is A. Any name you may give. So the property says that the square of this A square is equal to the sum of squares of these two sides. मतलब अगर इस side का हम square निकालेंगे, square का मतलब क्या होता है? The same number multiplied by itself. A square means A into A. Suppose we have a number 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. If we have 5 square means 5 into 5, that is 25. If we have 7 square means 7 into 7, that is equal to 49. So square means multiplying the number by itself. Whatever answer we get, that is known as the square of that number. अगर हम a को ऐसे ही multiply करते हैं तो जो आंसर हमें मिलता है उसे हम बोलते हैं a square. So the square of this number means a multiplied by a will be equal to b square plus c square. Please try to understand this formula, children. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of squares of b and c, not sum of b and c. अगर हम बोलेंगे hypotenuse square, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of b and c, it will be b plus c. But it is not b plus c, it is b square plus c square. मतलब b और c के square के sums के बराबर है. Square means multiplied, the number multiplied by itself. A multiplied by a square. C multiplied by c square. B multiplied by b square. So this is the property which is known as Pythagoras property, where the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides, or the sides which are making the right angle. Let us see with the help of an example. Suppose we have this as 5 centimeter, this as 4 centimeter, this as 3 centimeter. So what is the property? That the square of this, that means 5 square will be equal to the sum of 4 square plus 3 square. So 4 square plus 3 square. Let's see. 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 4 square means 4 4s are 16. 3 square means 3 3s are 9. So 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So see children, this 25 is equal to 25. means the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. मतलब hypotenuse का square इन दोनों sides के square के sum के बराबर होता है. स्क्वायर को अगर हम प्लस करेंगे, इन दोनों साइड्स का स्क्वायर निकाल के अगर हम इनको प्लस करेंगे तो ये हमारा हाइपोटेन्यूज, इट विल बी इक्वल टू द हाइपोटेन्यूज. सपोज वी हैव a triangle. Let us take a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. Suppose this is 5, this is 7, and you are supposed to find this. Means you are given the legs of a right angle triangle and you have to find the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to how much? Suppose this is x. So x is equal to how much? Square of this plus square of this. So 5 square plus 7 square. So 5 square is equal to 5 5s are 25. 7 square is 7 7s are 49. So what will be the sum? 74. So this is equal to 74. Now there is a problem in this, children. This we have got x square. To find x, what we will have to do? We will have to find the square root of this. That I will explain you in detail in the next video, children. For the time being, you just understand the property that the square of this is equal to square of this plus square of this. This is the right angle triangle. This is known as the hypotenuse. These two are the legs. Here we have got the value of x square. How to find x with the help of another example, I will explain you in the next video. By then, try to understand this property, children. And if you have any difficulty, you may ask me. This property is known as Pythagoras property, which says that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. Go through the video and try to understand it, children. Thank you.